Diva project managers typically spend anywhere from a day to months on site managing the sales office installation. We're there to direct trades and act on the client's behalf as their advocate to ensure everything is installed to a first-class level. We chase up deliveries, and we also facilitate conversations between our client team and the supplier team. For example, clients often have their own internal IT team that needs to integrate AV into the system. So we meet with everyone on site to discuss how we'll do that and then problem solve if any issues are raised. Site days can be long and intense, but our North Star is always a set of renders signed off in stage 4. We must make it look like the picture and have no surprises. Towards the end of the installation, the project manager will schedule an on-site meeting with the client so that we can show them all around the sales office and answer any questions. This stage is exhilarating because we see the client's reaction to all we've created. Usually, the first words out of their mouth are, "Wow, I can't believe how much this looks like the renders." The last day before launch is usually crazy busy, where last-minute work is done, the remaining items are delivered to site, and the last touch-ups are completed. We'll pop the metaphorical champagne as you stand outside a completed sales office in the dying light of day and see all the hard work from the divas, the suppliers, and the client team, and revel in what you've created in a few short months. We love hearing client stories after launch day, especially when they exceed sales targets. Occasionally, we're even there during launch day, and it gives all the divas a sense of pride to see how excited customers are to be in the space and be able to dream of their future life in this development. We feel very humbled to be a part of someone's journey to buying a home and creating a new future for themselves. After 23 years of sales office creation and delivery, I can tell you that you never get over that awesome feeling of playing a part in helping someone find their dream home.